Good morning. Mr. Page here with your Dirty South Morning Roundup. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well today. Happy Hat Day. I've got on my Atlanta Braves chop hat. It was given to me for free at a Braves game, I guess by Napa Auto Parts. Napa know-how. Anyway, got my coffee here. This is my north rim of the Grand Canyon coffee mug that I got when Katie and I hiked the Grand Canyon a few years ago. That was an awesome trip. Anyway, hope you guys are doing well. Got delivery of meals today. Just found out yesterday, right after we did our Zoom, that the school system will be out until April the 13th. At least until the 13th, and we'll see from there where we go. Virtual Spirit Week, like I said, there's that. I'm not going to do all but there's my hat, okay? I mean, I'm as spirited as I could possibly be. All right, but don't forget to do the hashtag DMS VSW on your social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I don't know if they put it anywhere else or not. Anyway, so I want to talk to you today just shortly about civil cases and criminal cases. So I want to first of all tell you about jurisdiction. So jurisdiction basically says that a court has an area where they can maneuver or work, okay? So it's very similar to a Georgia State Patrol car has the ability to pull you over anywhere else in the state. Dade County Sheriff, not so much. Trenton City Police, not so much. But the State Patrol could pull you over anywhere. Dade County Sheriff can't drive to Savannah, Georgia in his patrol car and pull people over along the way. He does not have the jurisdiction, okay? So that basically says it's a geographic region where they say, hey, you can work within these parameters and nowhere outside of it. Civil cases say that, hey, you haven't committed a crime, but you've done something that I don't like, okay? Whether it's me not liking a business, me not liking a person. And civil cases can be things like divorce. They could be child support. They could be things of that nature. Or they could be, hey, this is my property line. You just put your she shed over on my property line. What's the deal? Move your she shed. No, I ain't moving my she shed. Move your she shed. No, I'm taking you to court, okay? So that's a civil case. It's a person, which is called a plaintiff, complaining. Did you get that? Complaining, plaintiff, complaining about another person, okay? And so that's what that is, all right? The defendant is the person who is being accused of doing something wrong. So the person that I said, move your she shed, that's the defendant in this case. Many of these cases are settled outside of court, and usually there's some sort of exchange of money, and that's what that is. So criminal cases are the state or federal government versus fill in the blank, okay? So if I were to go to court and I robbed a bank, it is the state of in the state of Georgia, and I rob a bank, it is the state of Georgia versus Jonathan Edward Page, okay? So that's kind of how that works. The prosecutor is the government, and the defendant is the person being accused of the crime. So me in that case. All right. I did not rob a bank. Just letting you know. The crimes where you would go to jail for less than a year or have to pay a fine are often, in those cases, are misdemeanors. And then there are felonies, and felonies where you would go to jail for a longer period of time, or you've done something that, and there's fine lines. So the law is a very complicated thing, but felonies, long-term in jail, misdemeanors, often you're paying a fine or you're going to jail for a period of time, okay? Hope you guys have a great day. Hope you enjoy the nice weather that we're about to have. It's supposed to be 80 degrees Friday. It's going to be great. Loved the Zoom. Hope to post another Page Walks. Episode 3 is out there right now, so go check that out. God bless you, and God bless Georgia Studies.